Welcome to apartment 625 at 960 Grand. Now this apartment in particular is our A2 floor plan, 614 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Now the nice thing here is this is a southwest facing apartment, so you get a ton of natural light throughout the day. On our right hand side working through is our kitchen. Now here you will have 27 total cabinets and drawers, so you have a ton of kitchen storage options. You got 4 burners that are all gas range. A very stout sized sink here with the gooseneck head. And otherwise it's very well consolidated, so it doesn't really, compromise your general living space. Now working on our way on the left hand side as you enter. You'll have the bedroom and bathroom area over here. So bedroom on the right hand side. Now this guy is large enough to accommodate any size bed that you'll be bringing with you on the move. And then otherwise, as we pass through on the right hand side, we'll have this huge walk-in closet. This guy goes head to toe, very accommodating. You can put a dresser in here, no problem. And then as we go straight, you have another closet space. So you definitely won't have any issues accommodating your general wardrobe that you'll be bringing with you. On the right side here is the bathroom, so you got a little medicine cabinet action here. And then otherwise, the nice thing about this style of apartment is it's kind of got that Art Deco vintage feel, but it's very modernized as well. Now again, this is apartment 625 over here at 960 Grand.